Indian Forces personnel arrested a youth in the Bandipora district. The youth, identified as Atif Amin Mir, was arrested by the Indian police troops and paramilitary personnel during a cordon and search operation in Kashmir area of the district. All parties, Hurriyat Conference and other pro-freedom organizations continue to pay rich tribute to the prominent Kashmiri martyred leader Sheikh Abdul Aziz ahead of his 15th martyrdom anniversary falling on August 11th. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APH's leader Sheikh Abdul Aziz was shot dead by the Indian troops on 11th August 2008 while he was leading a march to Azad Kashmir against the economic blockade of the Kashmir Valley by the Hindu extremists of the Jammu. Illegally detained chairman of Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front, Mohammad Yasin Malik, appeared virtually before a Delhi High Court today in a petition filed by the India's dreaded National Investigation Agency seeking conversion of his life imprisonment to death penalty. Yasin Malik appeared before the court via video conference in a false case registered against him. Bharatiya Janata Party is likely to face a major setback in the occupied Kashmir as many leaders in the Kashmir Valley are considering their resignation from the party membership. The local media, quoting sources, have said that the development has come after a crucial meeting was held at a hotel in Srinagar a few days ago. Lahore Arts Council paid tribute to spirit of freedom among the people of occupied Kashmir. The artists came together to express solidarity with the Kashmiri community and leaders through soulful melodies, live paintings and photo exhibition. As many as 135 people died in road accidents in the first half of the year in occupied Kashmir. The traffic police official data revealed that a total of 1,064 road accidents were reported in the valley, leading to 135 deaths. Srinagar district emerged as one of the most accident-prone areas, recording 225 accidents that claimed the lives of 28 people. Srinagar is followed by South Kashmir's Islamabad district that saw 147 accidents and 25 deaths. Indian National Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has urged the party members in occupied Kashmir to fight the agenda of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the territory. Rahul Gandhi was talking to the party leaders from occupied Kashmir during a meeting in New Delhi. A massive landslide blocked the Srinagar-Jammu highway in the Ramban district. The Srinagar-Jammu highway was blocked due to the landslide in the Ramban district. Body of a 6th class student was discovered under mysterious circumstances in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, the student Faizan was found dead in the washroom of a local masjid in Guzarbal area of the district. The family members of Faizan said that he was murdered and demanded an investigation into his death. Indian government has admitted that over 1,500 forces personnel have committed suicide in the last 12 years. The Indian Minister of State for Home, Nityanand Rai, informed the Lok Sabha that 1,532 personnel of the Central Armed Police Forces, Assam Rifles and the National Security Guard had ended their lives by committing suicide since 2011.